New at 6, a lawsuit against the Hinds County Board of Elections is headed to the state Supreme Court. 16 WAPT's Tammy Eswick is live in our newsroom with those details. Tammy.
Yeah, that's right, Stephanie. Today, the Hinds County Board of Supervisors gave the Election Commission $5,000 so it can defend itself. The Hinds County Board of Election Commissioners could be headed to court. Supervisors granted the commission money to pay for an attorney after Judge Ali Samsudeen filed this lawsuit with the Supreme Court over the election.
I've heard as many as 7,000 voters that didn't get a chance to vote. Certainly that would impact any of the races that was in this last election. But if the investigation proves that out, then we should have a totally new election.
The board granted the commission up to $5,000, and some joked about where that money would come from.
I think there's some surplus money from underprinting the ballots.
From underprinting the ballots?
Yeah.
Supervisor Robert Graham, who wasn't at the meeting, wrote a letter against giving the commission a check. That letter was read out loud in the meeting.
It is my view that Mrs. Cochran should be required to use her funds as an elected official and acquire her own representation.
Anytime there's a lawsuit against the county or any department within the county, it is a lawsuit against the Board of Supervisors as well as the citizens of Hinds County.
Judge Ali Samsudeen filed this lawsuit asking for an investigation after Election Commissioner Connie Cochran admitted she did not print the required number of ballots.
We understand what the law is. There is not a county in Mississippi that orders 75% of the registered voters to have on election day.
Samsudeen lost the Hinds County Circuit Court judge seat to incumbent judge Jeff Wheel. A special judge will now hear the case. Yeah, and Judge Ali Samsudeen claims that the reason why he lost this race is because the ballots were underprinted. That's going to be up to a Supreme Court judge to decide. Live in the newsroom, Tammy Eswick, 16 WAPT News.
Okay, Tammy, thank you.